photophosphorylation is formation of ATP. Since ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and when we add phosphate group to ADP, it forms ATP, just like ADP, ATP. This is adenosine diphosphate. Diphosphate means 2 phosphate. When 1 phosphate is added to this, when this ADP is phosphorylated, then our energy currency adenosine triphosphate is formed. The phosphorylation means formation of ATP or addition of phosphate group in ADP, which gives rise to ATP, your energy currency. Right? So there are 3 types of phosphorylation. Number 2 is photophosphorylation. Number 2 is substrate phosphorylation, and number 3 is oxidative phosphorylation. When we talk about photophosphorylation, photo means sunlight, and phosphorylation means, you already know, that is formation of ATP. So यहाँ पर the meaning of photophosphorylation is formation of ATP in the presence of sunlight, or that will not be very appropriate, we can call it due to sunlight. So this is seen during photosynthesis, observed during photosynthesis. You must have studied about chemoosmotic hypothesis, and this the site for photophosphorylation is chlorophyll. Right? And process cyclic photophosphorylation plus non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Right? So this is photophosphorylation, which is very easy to understand. Now let's move to substrate phosphorylation. Substrate phosphorylation means direct ATP synthesis. For example, when you observe glycolysis, what happens in glycolysis is there is direct ATP formation. Yeah. So that is known as substrate photophosphorylation. In Krebs cycle also you observe the formation of GTP, which eventually forms ATP. So that is also direct photophosphorylation. And finally, oxidative phosphorylation means formation of ATP due to oxidation of compounds. The site of oxidative phosphorylation is inner mitochondrial membrane. इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में क्या होता है? इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में है अपना ETS प्रेजेंट. व्हाट इज ETS? इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम. यहाँ पर NADH plus H plus is oxidized into NAD plus, and FADH2 is oxidized into FAD plus, and this is how oxidation of elements lead to formation of ATP. Okay, let me just give you an example of glycolysis also. Glycolysis में ATP formation कहाँ पर होती है? I'll just give you the example. Example, 9th step of glycolysis. What happens here is कि PEP is converted into pyruvate. Okay, and यहाँ पर ही ADP is converted into ATP, and the name of enzyme which is required in here is known as pyruvate kinase. So this is about phosphorylation.